by the New York Jets and by the United Peoples of the planet Mongo, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss the bride, Johnny.
Thanks so much for coming.
My daughter better be alive, you sick son of a bitch.
I am so fake happy for her.
You know, Sam, there's only one way to end a perfect day.
What's that?
Flash jump.
Right. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
And that's the story of how one magical wish forever changed the lives of 3 very special friends. Ted and Tammy Lynn continued their torrid love affair for quite some time. One afternoon, Ted was caught behind the deli counter eating potato salad off of Tammy Lynn's bare bottom. He was instantly promoted to store manager. Sam Jones moved back to Hollywood with the goal of restarting his film career. He currently resides in Burbank, where he shares a studio apartment with his roommate, Brandon Routh. Remember Brandon Routh from that god-awful Superman movie? Jesus Christ! Thanks for getting our hopes up and taking a giant shit on us. Rex was forced to give up his pursuit of Laurie. Not long afterward, he fell into a deep depression and died of Lou Gehrig's disease. Donnie was arrested by Boston police and charged with kidnapping a plush toy. The charges were dropped when everyone realized how completely stupid that sounded. Robert got a trainer, lost a substantial amount of weight, and went on to become Taylor Lautner.